Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Service Main Board Part #WP26X28394. The GE Service Main Board Part #WP26X28394 is a replacement part for General Electric (GE) dryers. It is the main control board for the dryer and is responsible for controlling all of the functions of the appliance. The board contains a number of components, including a timer, temperature sensors, and relays. It also has connections for the motor, heating element, and other components. The board is used to control the temperature, cycle time, and other settings on the dryer. If any of these components fail or become damaged, it can cause problems with. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to repair symptoms such as the dryer not heating, not starting, or not tumbling. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance. Unplug the appliance from the wall outlet or turn off the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the back panel of the appliance to access the main board. 3. Disconnect all wires connected to the old main board and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new main board in its place, making sure that all connections are secure and that it is properly mounted in its bracket. 5. Reconnect all wires to their respective terminals on the new main board, making sure that they are securely connected and not loose or duh. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.